Chassis, is that you?
Oh my God, Gonzalo, what a surprise!
Yeah, long time no see.
It's been a. Ghost, you look fantastic.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I am on a diet. I have lost 5 kilos so far.
And you still need to lose 5 more.
Pardon? I could don't hurt you?
Oh, I say you look gorgeous.
Here, listen. Why don't we have dinner together?
Excellent idea. We could go to Chez Lulu, the French restaurant.
What? Yes, Lulu? You both rat. I am afraid I disagree. It's really expensive. I can't afford it.
Good point. Why don't we look for a place with a good value for money?
I totally agree. Let's go to the hamburger land.
The hamburger land? You are disgusting. I am not sure about that. The hamburger land is really cheap, but it's very unhealthy.
Shall we go to Ali restaurant for dinner?
I am sorry, but I don't like the Arab food because the flavor is very strong. Why don't we go to get our own natural?
I don't agree with this place. I had all vegetable. Thought we could go to the Chinese delight.
I'm not sure. That is restaurant is cheap. Let's go to frozen drinks.
Are you crazy? Ice cream for dinner? I think that ice cream are dessert. What a nightmare! It's impossible to agree with you. Hey, there's a new gastropub in town, and people really love it. They say that it has amazing food at very good price. Let's try that one.
Yeah, I agree. I think we should try that one. Well, now, when shall we meet?
What are you doing on Saturday evening?
Oh, I am visiting my parents, so I can't actually.
How about meeting on Friday then?
Oh dear, I am afraid. I am babysitting for my neighbors on Friday evening. Sorry.
Shall we have lunch instead of dinner?
Great. I am free for lunch on Friday. That is brilliant idea.
Excellent. Shall I pick you up at 12:30 at your place?
Oh, would you? That's so sweet. Oh no, I can't. I am having Halloween party with my children on Friday morning. So, I will tie my own cat.
Wonderful. Don't forget to take an umbrella. I have heard on the radio that it will rain.
Oh, really? What a pity. Well, see you at the gastropub at 12:30 there.
Noel, see you there. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
My goodness, this place is spectacular. It is so elegant and well decorated.
Indeed, you are absolutely right. This new gastropub is so sad. People are going to love it. When does your plane leave?
Don't worry, we have plenty of time. It's leave at 7:30 p.m. So let's take a look at the menu. Shall we look? They have black pudding for starting. I adore it.
Really? I totally disagree. It's fine, it's disgusting. It's fascinating and unhealthy. Yuck.
Oh, come on, that is ridiculous. It tastes really good and it has a lot of protein and carbohydrates. Not only healthy but also delicious.
Nonsense. I think I will have the prawn salad. This is well balanced dish, not like yours.
I will have the roast beef, chips and Yorkshire pudding for main course.
Oh, there! So full of calories. I will have the sushi with steamed vegetable.
Sorry to bother you, but aren't you a little bit obsessed with your diet?
Well, Listen, you are what you ate, right? So from now on, I am going to eat healthy. That is my decision.
Yes, exactly. Absolutely agree with you. It's indeed a personal decision. So let me eat what I want, alright?
Okay, I agree with you on that. It's up to you. Although from my point of view, you should cut down on fat one cup. You know?
Please stop being a pain in the ass, will you? I'm going to carry on eating like a normal person. Meat, cheap, sweet, dessert, snack, fast food. And that is a respectable decision too, is not it?
Okay. Calm down. See yourself. Eat your life. Let me see. For dessert, I think I will have fruit salad. It's so refreshing and full of vitamins.
In my case, I will have the chocolate cake with ice cream. Yummy! That is what I call old-style homemade food.
Fat cow.
Smart ass.
So, before the dessert arrive, tell me about your new girlfriends.
She is absolutely spectacular. Here's a picture.
Oh, what? What a fabulous smile.
Yes, she is a good person, intelligent, interesting, and fantastic. Also, she is very pretty, funny, sexy, affectionate, and charming. My girlfriend is wonderful. And what about your new flame-mate?
Oh, dear. He's terrible. My flatmate is a person very dirty, irresponsible, lazy, and unfriendly. He is ambitious, bossy, jealous, and selfish. He is the bad flaming. I hate him.
Whoa, what a weak person. Anyway, a toast to all the good people.
To all the good people.
And good luck with your playmate.
By the way, we are having a party on Friday evening.
Oh, that sounds nice. Unfortunately, I'm playing tennis with my brother-in-law on Friday evening.
Well, tell him to come too.
Are you kidding? She's really boring and quite annoying. Maybe some other time.
Okay then, what a pity. We are having Halloween costume party competition. And some German friends are planning to grill sausages to celebrate the Oktoberfest.
God, I hate my brother-in-law.
Too bad.